If you plan on removing the front doors from your vehicle, the available door-off mirror kit provides exterior rearview trail mirrors that can be installed on the upper body door hinges. You will need a plastic trim stick, power drill with 1 1/16 inch or 27 mm hole saw, utility knife, 13 mm wrench, and a T40 Torx driver with extender. To install the mirrors, you'll have to remove the front doors first. Using a trim stick, carefully remove the 2 plastic covers from the instrument panel at the front door opening. Make sure to retain the covers for reinstallation. Next, carefully release and remove the vertical plastic trim cover from the A-pillar by pulling outward at the lower edge and then disengaging the upper clip. Again, retain the cover for reinstallation. Now, with the 1 1/16 inch or 27 mm hole saw, carefully drill out the marked opening in the A-pillar trim cover. After drilling, use a utility knife to remove the plastic ribs on the back side of the trim cover so the mirror bracket can be installed. This modification is required to allow clearance for the mirror bracket. Using a 13 mm socket, loosen, but do not fully remove, the cowl bolt located on the A-pillar at the front door opening. This bolt will be used to help align and secure the mirror bracket during installation. Slide the provided nut plate over the loosened cowl bolt flange on the A-pillar. Make sure the threaded side of the nut plate is centered and aligned with the opening to accept the mirror bracket fastener. Slightly tighten the cowl bolt using a 13 mm wrench or by hand, but do not fully tighten. The nut plate must remain slightly loose to allow mirror bracket alignment. Now, insert the hinge shoulder bolt upward through the bottom of the upper door hinge and place the washer over the bolt. Position the mirror assembly by sliding the mirror bracket onto the hinge shoulder bolt and then insert the bracket bolt. Do not fully tighten the fasteners at this stage. The bracket must remain slightly loose to allow for alignment. Next, insert the alignment bolt through the mirror bracket and into the nut plate. Slightly tighten the bolt by hand or with a T40 Torx driver. Again, do not fully tighten. Once the mirror bracket is aligned, fully tighten the nut plate fastener using a 13 mm wrench. Now that the nut plate is aligned and secured in its final position, remove the alignment bolt so you can swing the mirror out of the way and reinstall the trim. Start with the A-pillar trim, ensuring that the cover seats fully and securely, followed by the 2 instrument panel trim pieces. Swing the mirror back into place and, using your T40 Torx driver, fully tighten the alignment bolt through the mirror bracket and into the nut plate. Now, with the T40 Torx driver, fully tighten the hinge shoulder bolt through the upper door hinge into the mirror bracket. After installation, the mirrors may need to be adjusted for proper rear visibility. The mirror housing can be repositioned by loosening the pivot bolt at the base. After adjustment, ensure the mirrors are securely tightened before driving. When the mirrors are removed and you're ready to store them, make sure to install the storage bolt into the nut plate. Repeat the steps on the other side of the vehicle and you can be on your way. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.